Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Quick video this morning. Glow in the dark. I love glow in the dark. I mean, I think most people do. It's something that I think we pick up as kids and it doesn't really go away. I dig it. And if you're not, that's fine, because I'll love it enough for multiple people. So I got my little Rogues toolkit, is what I'll call it, from Colony Collective. And inside it had a reflective glow-in-the-dark piece in the top. And I thought that was just extremely clever, because it's super bright. I posted a picture on my Instagram last night where you can clearly see just about everything in the tin, minus the stuff that is covered up of this tin. So this is the tin that lives in my backpack, and it's just my EDC backpack, and it's just bits and bobs. So a little single finger glove condom, I don't know what you call those things, some super glue, and bits and bobs like that. I can go through it another time to go all the way through, but I cut a piece out and put in the top of it, mimicking this one. Straight copied him, but I think he'll be okay with that. He's a pretty cool cat. So, but it's very functional, I think. I know most lights work most of the time, but this is low key and works very well. You don't have to worry about batteries or whatever, just put it in the sun. So this is the material that I used. I will put the manufacturer in the comments, and I got it off of Amazon, and it's an 1.5 inches wide, and says that there's only 5 feet on this roll, and it's about 16 bucks. It's pretty expensive, but this is the reflective glow in the dark stuff, and it's got good adhesive on the back. I stuck it on the back of a signal mirror that was just like it's not really a signal mirror, they're just the cheap metal mirrors that I'm using for a signal mirror, and I stuck a piece on the back of it and then tried getting it off, and I couldn't get it off without tearing it up. I would separate the substrate from the adhesive, so it's pretty tough stuff, but it's about 16, 17 bucks for this roll, which is a little expensive, but once you break it down to putting it in different things, you know, you may end up at 50 cents or $1 a piece putting it in things. And I cut just some strips, just straight strips, and little things like the signal mirrors. I stuck some just down in the side of the signal mirror. In some of my notebooks, I stuck some pieces down in my notebooks. Just different little spots where it'll fit. It might come in handy, and no more than it weighs and the amount of space that it takes up, it's worth it in my opinion. But it's pretty straightforward stuff. You just cut it to size and remove I don't know if it's a silicone film on the back, but you just peel your silicone off and stick it on there and rub it really good. I'm sure it's a pressure sensitive adhesive, but yeah, pretty simple. You can find this on Amazon. Again, I will put the manufacturer in the comments, and it is glow-in-the-dark reflective tape. We'll also pull it up if you search that, but just wanted to share. I had some questions on it. But yeah, appreciate the support. You can check out this post that I'm talking about, as well as other past creations and posts at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram. You can check out gizmos and gadgets at bushcraftkelso.com. Thanks, guys.